In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Coinbase without Authenticator. If you're locked out because you lost your phone, deleted the app, or can't access your codes, the safest path is to work through Coinbase's official help center and open a support case. We're not bypassing security, we're using Coinbase's recovery process so you can get back in securely. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase Help. Look for the official Help Center result from Coinbase and open it. Double check the web address to be sure you're on the legitimate site. Once the Help Center loads, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Contact Us. This takes you to the guided support flow. On the contact page, scroll until you can choose the product or topic that matches your Authenticator issue. Pick the option related to account access, two-step verification, or Authenticator problems. Choosing the right category routes your request to the correct team and speeds things up. Next, select Sign In for support. This isn't a normal account login. It simply links your support request to your Coinbase account so the team can verify ownership. When prompted, enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account, then click Continue. Use the exact email you originally used on Coinbase so the system can locate your account. From here, follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your situation, you may be asked to confirm a code sent to your email, answer security questions, or begin an account recovery flow that verifies your identity. Read each screen carefully and take your time. If something doesn't look right, stop and make sure you're still on the official Coinbase site. After you're signed into the support portal, type your concern clearly. For example, I no longer have access to my Authenticator app and need help logging in. Briefly explain what happened, such as a lost device or a new phone, and mention whether you have any backup codes. Keep your message concise and factual. Only share documents or images if the secure portal requests them. Never post sensitive information in public channels. Once submitted, watch your email for updates from Coinbase support and respond promptly to any requests. Recovery can take time depending on verification, so be patient. After your access is restored, set up two-step verification again on your new device. Store backup codes in a safe place, and consider adding additional secure factors for redundancy. That's the complete process. Follow these steps, stay on the official site, and you'll be on your way to regaining access safely.